Today I teach you about the chemical property of haloalkane. Chemical property of haloalkane can be classified in three categories. First is the nucleophilic substitution, second is the elimination reaction, and third is the reaction with metal. And today we discuss about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is nucleophilic substitution reaction? We know that about the substitution. Substitution is the a type of reaction in which any group or species is replaced by the another group. For example, we have a compound RX, and if a nucleophile Nu minus is attack on the RX and replace the X halogen and form RNu and X minus is removed. Here we seen that Nu minus means a attacking reagent. A attacking reagent replace the halogen and add with alkyl in place of halogen. So this type of reaction is called the substitution reaction. For example, we suppose we are sitting in class. Any student replace you and take your seat in classroom. Then we say that that student is replace you from your seat. And here, what is nucleophilic? We know about nucleophilic. Nucleophilic are negative charge ion. Nucleophilics are negative charge ions. Means the nucleophilics are nucleophilic are electron rich center. Electron rich center. Electron rich center means nucleophilic are always attached to that part of a base. Base means base, not a part of base where each lack electron center. Means nucleophiles are attacked always on the nuclear part. Means the always attack with positive part of a base. Positive part of a base. And here in alkyl halide or haloalkane, we know that the reaction RX. Here X means halogen. Halogen is partial negative charge and alkyl group is partial positive charge. And if the nucleophile attack on this compound, it replace the halogen and add in the place of halogen, like this reaction. Here R means the alkyl group, R is the alkyl group, and X is the halogen. Halogen are electronegative. Halogens are electronegative. Halogens are electronegative, and they become partial negative charge. And if nucleophile is attack on the alkyl halide, then halogen is removed. Halogen is removed in form of X minus, means halide ion, and formation of RNu each takes place. So here we seen that the attacking reagent is nucleophile and replace the halogen or displace the halogen. So this type of reaction is called the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Or generally we can see that if a substitution reaction in a substitution reaction in a substitution reaction, if attacking reagent is nucleophile, in a substitution reaction, if attacking reagent is a nucleophile, reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we've seen the some example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Some example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Suppose we have a alkyl halide in the form of RX, and it react with NaOH. The first reaction of this category, RX is the alkyl halide and NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is a base and we know that sodium is positive charge and hydroxide is negative charge, and here alkyl is positive charge and halogen is negative charge, and here hydroxide ion is behave as nucleophile. Hydroxide ion is behave as nucleophile, and hydroxide ion attach to the alkyl group, and product is form ROH plus NaX. This is a alcohol. This is a alcohol. Similarly, if the second reaction, if alkyl halide RX is react with H2O, RHOH, H2O or HOH, here the H plus and OH minus, and here similarly R plus and X minus, and the be seen that product is same ROH plus HX. It is also a alcohol. It is also a alcohol. And the other reactions of this category, we have RX, alkyl halide, RX plus NaI, sodium iodide. This is the also called as Conant-Finkelstein reaction. RX plus NaI, sodium positive charge and iodine is negative charge. Na plus and I minus. Iodine is replaced the halogen and form the Ri plus NaX. And now most important reaction is the reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia NH3 of alkyl halide. Here RX is the alkyl halide, R plus and X minus, and NH3 is here written as HNH2. This is NH3, HNH2, and here R, H is positive charge and NH2 is negative charge. Now it is clear that NH2 is behave as nucleophile. NH2 is behave as nucleophile. So NH2 is attack on the RX and form the RNU plus HX. This is called primary amine. And when the primary amine RNH2 primary amine is further react with RX, alkyl halide, means second molecule of the alkyl halide, then RNH2 is written as RNH and H, and RX, R plus and X minus, and RNH2 is H plus and RNH2 minus. So this part is the nucleophile, and it also reacts similar this reaction and form the RNH, R and HX. This is the secondary amine. And further, if the secondary amine means R, N, H, R plus RX, here the R plus and X minus, and here the N minus and H plus, it further react with alkyl halide and form the R, N, R, R and HX. This is called tertiary amine. So we can see that when the alkyl halide is react with ammonia in 3 steps, it form first the primary amine, and when the primary amine is react with alkyl halide, it form the secondary amine, and when secondary amine is react with alkyl halide, it form the tertiary amine.